Hello everyone, this is Dr. G. Anita Epsiba, Department of Chemistry, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. We have been discussing about functional textiles in the previous videos. One such type of functional textile is responsive textiles. Can you imagine a clothing that adapts to your environment, changing its color with sunlight, regulating your body temperature, or even monitoring your health? It's amazing to know that. What are these responsive textiles? These responsive textiles, they are known as smart or interactive fabrics. And these materials are engineered to respond to external stimuli such as temperature, pressure, electrical signals, moisture, etc. These fabrics can sense the environmental changes and adapt accordingly, offering many functionalities beyond traditional textiles. So you cannot imagine the extent of applications with responsive textiles. Now let us see a few examples and discuss about the types of responsive textiles in detail with more applications too. What are the examples? Thermochromic fabrics, from the very word we get an idea, they change their color with temperature variation. Second one, shape memory alloys or woven into textiles, they alter their shape when heated. When heated, they alter their shape and give suitable applications. And the third one, conductive fibers, which enable the fabric to transmit electrical signals. Conductive fibers are woven into textiles, making them responsive to electrical signals. What are the types of responsive textiles? As I told you earlier, based on their response to stimuli, that is light, temperature, pressure, electrical signal, moisture content, they are categorized into thermo-responsive textiles, photochromic textiles, electrochromic textiles, piezoelectric textiles, and hydroelectric textiles. We will learn them one by one in detail here. What do you mean by the term photochromic textiles? Photo means light and chromo means color. Yes, these photochromic textiles, they change their color when exposed to light. Right. For example, if there is a fabric which is red in color at a particular temperature of 36 degrees Celsius, when the temperature varies from 36 to 47 degrees Celsius, the color of the fabric varies from red to green. So it is responsive to the light. Okay, so here it is sunlight. So such photochromic textiles can be applied where UV protective clothing is very much required. So human beings cannot be exposed to UV radiation at a very alarming level. So in that sense, when these UV protective clothing can indicate the level of sunlight which falls on the particular fabric by changing its color, we can have these UV protective clothing. So here we have a fabric which is red in color and it changes to green at a temperature of 45.7 degrees Celsius. So here the source of light is sunlight. So thermochromic textiles play a major role in UV protective clothing. Second one is piezoelectric textiles. These generate electrical signals under mechanical stress. So these sensors in footwear that monitor working patterns. So these sensors, they have what else? They are embedded in footwear and they monitor the working patterns of the particular sports person. What are the applications in sportswear? Third one is electrochromic textiles. These electrochromic textiles, they alter their color or opacity when an electric voltage is applied to it. So here, upon passing electric signals, the color changes. Electrochromic textiles. So here, what is the application? Adjustable tint window shades or garments. So they adjust their color by sensing the electric signals they produce. The last one is hydrogel based textiles. They respond to moisture levels. So that can be used in medical textiles and also diaper, etc. So they can indicate the saturation or a sportswear that adapts to sweat levels. What are the applications of these responsive textiles? The versatility of responsive textiles open doors to numerous applications. Healthcare, where wearable devices tracking vital signs, smart bandages that monitor wound healing, or normally used by doctors so they can what else? Monitor the patients from afar. So by means of a app in their phones, smartphones. Sports and fitness, athletic wear that adapts to body temperature and moisture, and also shoes with pressure sensors to improve gait analysis. They are all examples which come under sports and fitness category. The next one is military and defense. You know, they toil very hard in the borders of our country. Military and defense, here they have their uniforms that provide camouflage by changing the patterns. So they have more safety, they have more protection against their enemy soldiers. So here, gear that monitors soldiers' health can also be in real time. Fashion and design, clothing that changes color or pattern for aesthetic appeal. So based on the need of the garment, they can be changed. Curtains or blinds that adjust transparency based on sunlight, sustainability. So they can also be a part of architecture. Buildings with facades that respond to environmental conditions. They are also suitable examples or its applications for responsive textiles. So we have been learning about responsive textiles till now. They are revolutionizing the way they interact with our environment by blending technology seamlessly into the fabrics we use daily. As research progress, we can also anticipate even more innovative applications that enhance comfort, safety, and functionality in our lives by means of textiles what we wear daily. So there are more researchers going on to make the textiles more responsive to other stimuli factors also. So in that sense, responsive textiles make our future world. So the coming generation will be enjoying the benefits of responsive textiles in a very uh, detailed way, or else their applications will be enormous in the coming for the coming generation. Thank you.